Hi everyone, my name is Hafiza Zeynab Hashimli and this video is for Media and Culture course. In this video I will try to explain media representation theory with some other concepts using the movie of Aladdin as an example. So let me start the video with a question first. If I tell you historical Middle East, would you think about magical carpets, golden palaces, or mysterious deserts? I think for most of us the answer is yes. What if I tell you that movies like Aladdin tells us Hollywood's ideas rather than the real Middle East? So let's see. In the movie we have a place called Agrabah. This is a city of mysteries, adventures and wealth. And the idea of this city is exaggerated because of the excitement of audience. And there are some elements like flying carpets and jeans which makes the movie fun, but they also create a fantasy about Middle East. In most of the cases we don't question it. So here the theory helps us. Stuart Hall argues that media constructs a meaning rather than just simply reflecting the reality. In our example, how the movie of Aladdin portrays the East shapes how the audience perceives the Eastern world. Additionally, Edward Said introduces a concept called Orientalism. It is a Western view of Eastern culture. In the past centuries, Western people weren't freely and easily allowed to observe the Eastern world, the harem life in the Arab world, so as they started to imagine harem life, the Eastern everyday life themselves and reflect them in the different types of media. Now let's turn back to our example. The Agrabah city in this movie is portrayed as mysterious, exotic, and magical city. And there are Eastern elements which makes the movie fun. These are the elements of bazaars, jeans, flying carpets, or golden palaces. Yes, some of them are Eastern elements, but the movie is fundamentally Western. It is produced by the West and in the West. So at the end, I want to mention that we shouldn't forget that the movies are powerful tools for representation and for shaping how we see other people and other cultures. And I use the phrase Middle East several times throughout this video because it describes the exact understanding of where the Agrabah city imagined to be. However, I want to mention that this phrase is also Western. So we should always be critical and ask ourselves questions like, is what I am seeing is real or is it imagined? And who is the one who decides that this is normal? I hope this video will be interesting and informative. Thank you for watching till here.